In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up BOGO on Shopify. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, access your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where Shopify gives you access to store management tools, including products, orders, customer information, analytics, and discounts. On the left side of the dashboard, locate the section labeled Discounts and open it to continue. Inside the Discounts area, select the option to create a new discount. Shopify will display different types of promotions that can be configured depending on the type of offer you want to run in your store. For this setup, choose the option called Buy X Get Y. This discount type is specifically designed for buy one get one style promotions where customers qualify for a second item after purchasing a specific product or collection. After selecting the discount type, Shopify will take you to the Conditions section. Under the Buy X area, choose the product or collection customers need to purchase before the offer becomes active. Depending on your promotion strategy, this can be a single item or a group of products from a collection. Next, move down to the Get Y section. Here you will select the product or collection customers will receive as part of the promotion. The item can either be free or discounted based on the settings you apply later in the setup process. For a traditional BOGO offer, set the quantity conditions to buy one and get one. This tells Shopify how many qualifying products are required before the promotion applies during checkout. After that, continue to the discount value section and choose 100% off if you want the second item to be completely free. You can also control how often the promotion applies within a single order. Shopify allows you to choose whether the offer can only be used once per order or multiple times if customers continue adding eligible products to their cart. This gives you more flexibility depending on the type of campaign you want to run. Once everything looks correct, enter a name for the promotion so it is easier to recognize later inside your discounts dashboard. After saving the discount, the BOGO offer will become active based on the settings you selected. Customers who meet the conditions during checkout will automatically receive the promotion applied to their order. And that is the complete process for setting up a BOGO offer on Shopify. Thank you for watching.